Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Forex trading. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in forex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Forex trading website. Now, right from the home page, you can create your account by typing in your email address first and then clicking on Open an Account. You will then be asked to fill up further information. Go ahead and select your country and then enter your desired username. After typing in your username, type in the password that you want to use with your Forex account and then select your title. Then you can fill up your first and your last name, followed by your date of birth and your phone number. Then just click on the Save and Continue button and you will receive a verification email or a code within your inbox. You can simply click on this verification code to verify your login information. Then you can fill up further information about yourself and provide your trading experience details. And after following through these two steps, you will finally have finished the sign up process. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Forex trading platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.